how to disable saved passwords in Brave. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started right now. So by default, Brave is set to be save the passwords in order to help in auto sign in and stuff like this. Some people want to disable this option, so in this video we're gonna do it. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have already opened Brave, and whenever we sign in now into any app, Brave is gonna save the passwords in order to help with auto-filling the passwords and the emails. So let's disable it and go to the bottom right and click on the three dots for the menu. Then click on settings, open the settings, and go to the general section and click on passwords here. You can just now disable saving passwords from here. As you can see, let's disable it. Now our save passwords option in Brave is disabled. It will not save any new passwords, and when you disable this, it's not gonna autofill or auto sign in websites using the stored credentials. Very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.